delayed consultation is now due to take place next month. Jiang must push ahead with it, as too much time has been wasted. The second stage consultation on healthcare reforms, also promised in last year's policy address, was delayed on grounds of the swine flu outbreak. Yesterday, Jiang promised to resume it after announcing voluntary contributions as a healthcare financing option, rather than the previously touted mandatory contributions. Further details are needed to establish whether this will be sufficient. During the financial turmoil, 喺個經濟嘅衰退嘅環境之下呢 it become a mantra 咧嘅意思，好少用嘅呢個字 mantra， 即係喺一個印度嘅土文，就係即係其實攞嚟意思係真言咁解，係一個真言，即係一個土文嚟嘅，咁啊一個真言咯，即係個個政府都當呢個係真言嘅，咁啊 mantra。Become a mantra of governments around the world. 全世界嘅政府咧都會當呢個係真言嘅。話乜嘢咧 ？A crisis is a terrible opportunity to waste. Crisis 危機 crisis is a terrible opportunity to waste. 即係有危機嘅話咧，係一個 terrible opportunity， 係一個令人可怕嘅機會去遭遇到損失 to waste。咁我哋嘅政府嚟講咧 it has become an excuse， 佢用呢個嚟做一個藉口啊 ，an excuse 啊，藉口。delay political 去延遲啊呢個政改方案啊 ，political reform 改革 reform。政制嘅改革同埋 healthcare reform 就係呢個醫療嘅改革，政制嘅改革同埋醫療嘅改革 healthcare reforms。Little was said on constitutional right， 呢度小心喎，唔係 a little 啊，又係小心 a little， 即係講得少少。Little was said， 冇乜講到。Little was said on constitutional reform， 政改、政制改革啊。Constitutional reform 喺個 policy address 度完全冇提到。The delayed consultation is now due to take place next month， 即係呢個已經延遲咗嘅諮詢 ，consultation 就諮詢啦。consultation 諮詢 consultation， 當然醫生診症呢叫 consultation， 但係呢個諮詢 is now due to take place。due to take place 即係話將會 due to take place， due 即係如果你張帳單到期啦 ，is due next month 咁就得啦 ，due 即係到期啦 ，due to take month，due to take place next month， 咁即係話下個月就到期啦。Jiang must push ahead with it， 即係話要快啲啦，加快啦 ，push ahead with it，push ahead 快啲啦咁樣。As too much time has been wasted， 因為已經浪費咗好多時間啦，咁樣。太多時間啦，已經浪費咗太多時間。As a lot of time has been wasted 有得，但 as too much time 就個加強嘅語氣，太多時間浪費到啦。The second stage consultation 咁第二期嘅醫療改革 healthcare reform 醫療改革 ，also promised in last year's policy address， 其實已經係喺上一年嘅policy address 先答應咗㗎啦 ，was delayed 又係阻延咗啦。拖延咗啦 ，on grounds of the swine flu outbreak，on grounds of 即係用呢個做藉口，就 on grounds of 做理據 ，delayed on grounds of，delay 咗點解 delay 咧 ？on grounds of 即係乜嘢原因咧？咁啊 on grounds of 啊 ，swine flu outbreak 就係嗰個豬流感嘅爆發 ，outbreak 一個字嚟嘅 outbreak 爆發。Yesterday, Jiang promised to resume it， 恢復 to resume。resume school 停咗學啦恢復上課咁咪 resume school，resume class resume after announcing voluntary contributions。宣佈咗乜嘢咧 ？voluntary contributions 就係話自願voluntary 就自願 供款 contribution， 貢獻咧 contribution， 呢個 contribution 係供款。咁啊 voluntary 嘅相反就當然係 mandatory contribution。mandatory 咁而家嗰個mandatory provident fund 啊，呢個強制啊，強積金強制就 mandatory 啦，強積金 mandatory provident fund。咁所以 voluntary 以前就講話考慮緊用 mandatory contribution， 而家咧就話改做 voluntary 自願額 as a healthcare financing option， 係做呢個醫療嘅融資嘅 option 嘅選擇 option。What options do I have？ 我有咩選擇先 ？option 啊，you have 3 options， 咁啊你有3個選擇 option 啦。Rather than the previously touted，previously 就之前啦 ，touted 即係話宣傳 touted 咋，即係以前一路宣傳緊，即係以前一路講緊嘅，咁啊 previously touted， 以前一路講緊 mandatory， 而家就改咗啦，講 voluntary。Further details are needed to establish whether this will be sufficient。咁啊，你要詳細啲多啲資料先知道咧，先可以 establish 即係話去確定啊。其實 establish 係成立咁解嘅啊。我成立一間新嘅公司就 establish a new company， 咁啊 establish 成立，即係呢個意見成唔成立到咁嘅意思啦。Whether this will be sufficient 足唔足夠？用 voluntary contribution 足唔足夠咧咁樣。The speech was entitled Breaking New Grounds Together, but it did not break much new ground as far as policies are concerned. For a government bent on maintaining the status quo, the address is more than adequate. But for those who expect more of our government, it is a disappointment. 呢個係總結嚟啦。嗰個policy address 咧，即係呢個演講 the speech 啦，演講 was entitled， 即係話個題目係如果你個 noun 咧就 title T-I-T-L-E entitled 呢個 verb 啦，俾一個題目佢就 entitled 乜嘢唔係 with the title of 乜嘢was entitled。咁啊 breaking new ground together 啦，共同創新天啦，咁啊所以 break new ground 即係話創一個新嘅機遇啦。But it did not break much new ground， 即係佢其實係冇 break new grounds 㗎。如果講政策嚟講 ，for government bent on maintaining， 如果要維持 maintaining the status quo， 呢個 status quo 咧就係保持現狀嘅意思啊。status 就係嗰個地位啊嘛，即係個位置啊嘛，就 status 啦。咁呢個係一個 phrase 係咁嚟講啊 ，status quo。status quo 保持不變 ，maintaining status quo。I will remain status quo。咁即係我而家維持不變啊。如果一個政府 bend on， 即係意思話係倚重於呢個啦 ，bend on 鞠躬於 bend on。the address is more than adequate。咁呢個施政報告就係足夠有餘啊。嗱 ，more than adequate 啫。呢個咧係加重嘅語氣 ，is adequate 咁都得噶 ，is the address is adequate 咁都得 ，is more than adequate 即係 more than adequate 即係多過足夠有餘咯咁樣。For those who expect more of our government， 如果有啲人係要求係多啲嘅 ，expect more of，I expect more of you， 我對你嘅要求唔止咁少噶 ，expect more of 啦。It is a disappointment， 就會係好失望啦。Disappointed， I am disappointed 呢個形容詞disappointment 咁一個 noun。好，繼續翻轉頭睇啲字先。Annual ritual 每年嘅一個繁文縟節 ritual 禮儀。Chief Executive CE 就係特首。Vision 視野視力呢個講視野。Themes 呢個範疇，一個題目有幾多個 themes